Hi guys, Bakila here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing this fingerless gloves or hand warmers, whichever one you want to call them. But these are super easy. This is like a very easy pattern. It's very easy to follow. A beginner could do this. It's so easy. I really hope you guys try this out and I really hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be using a pair of scissors, a 4mm crochet hook, and some yarn. This yarn is a weight 4 yarn and it's 100% acrylic. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. And you're going to make a chain of 30. Now this amount of chains is how long the hand warmer is going to be. So if you want it longer or shorter, you could make more or less chains, but I'm going to make mine 30 chains. So go ahead and chain 30. So I've made my 30 chains, and as you can see, if you measure it on your arm, it's going to reach around your wrist area. So that's how long it is. If you want it longer, just make sure you add more chains. So you're going to chain one more for turning, and in that second stitch from the hook, you're going to place a single crochet. And into every other chain, you're going to place a single crochet for the rest of this row. So right now I have reached the end of my first row, and this is what my first row is looking like. So after that, we just chain one and then turn your work. And then from here, we're going to place a single crochet into every single stitch, but in the back loops only. And by placing every single stitch in the back loops only, it's gonna help us create that ribbing effect. So if you don't know what the back loops only is, it's basically the furthest loop from you. So this is the back loop only, and the other loop is the front loop only. So you're going to place that single crochet into the back loops. So in that first stitch right there, you place the first single crochet in the back loops. And into every single stitch, you're going to be placing single crochets into the back loops. So I only have one stitch left, and into that last stitch, I'm just going to place my last single crochet in the back loops. So I've made 2 rows, and now I'm just going to chain one and then turn my work, and we're just gonna repeat row 2 and just place single crochets in the back loops only. So just go ahead and place single crochets into those back loops. And as you can see, that ribbing effect is starting to form both in the front and in the back. So you're just gonna do this until you have a very long row that could fit all around your arm. I think I made about 27 rows. I'm not sure how much I made, but I think I made 27 rows. It's gonna be on the screen because I'm not sure, but just make as much as you need because everybody's hand size is different. So you're gonna crochet maybe a different portion, or just crochet how much you need to fit all around your arm. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish it, and I'll meet you guys when I'm done, and I'll show you guys how you can attach everything together. Okay, so right now I have 27 rows, and when I measured that and when I stretched the fabric around my fingers, they both they touch each other. So right now what I want to do is to sew together, like to sew and make where my thumb is gonna be placed. So I'm just using this other this one as a reference, and you're just gonna put your hand over and measure it through, and you're going to slip stitch and join both parts together. So you're going to place your hook, and then you're going to place your hook into that first loop of one side, and you're going to place your hook into that first loop of the other side, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through, and then pull through all the loops to make a slip stitch. And you're going to make a slip stitch for 10 rows. So I'm going to make a slip stitch for 10 rows. So 1, 2, okay, so I made slip stitch rows for about 10 rows, and it should be the exact same with the other panel. So I slip stitch 10 times. So I'm going to leave five stitches for my thumb. So I'm just going to chain 2 and then fasten off. And then I'm going to count 5 stitches on both sides, and then I'm going to start attaching from there. So in order to get this hoe, we're going to leave 5 stitches on both sides, and then we're going to stitch the other sides. Okay, so I'm done with both of them. So just go ahead and make the second panel. They're the exact same thing, and then you're free to rock your fingerless gloves or a hand warmer or whatever you want to call them. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. It will be on the screen or in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.